In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit an image using Nano Banana, set against the whimsical backdrop of a movie theater chaos scenario. This quick tutorial is perfect for those eager to infuse some creative flair into their images. Whether you're a seasoned pro or just starting out, this guide is designed to be simple and straightforward. To begin, open your preferred web browser and head over to Google. Once there, you'll need to type Google Gemini into the search bar. This will direct you to a plethora of results. But don't worry, we're aiming for the official Google Gemini site. Once you spot it, go ahead and click on that link. Now, you're ready to dive into the creative world of image editing. Upon landing on the Google Gemini site, look for the option that says Create Image. It's your gateway to the creative process we're about to embark on. Clicking on Create Image will present you with an interface that allows you to upload your image. To do this, simply click on the plus sign icon. This action will prompt you to navigate to the file on your device that you'd like to edit. Choose your image wisely, as it will be the canvas for our cinematic adventure. With your image successfully uploaded, it's time to inject some imaginative narrative through a prompt. In the provided text field, you'll want to craft a creative scene. Consider this prompt: a hyper-real cinematic shot of you awkwardly seated between Mario and Donkey Kong in a dark theater packed with wild, popcorn-throwing game characters, all lit by the glow of an unseen movie screen. This vivid description will guide the AI in crafting an image that truly embodies the chaos and fun of such a scenario. Once you're satisfied with your prompt, the next step is to submit your request. You'll find a button labeled Submit on the interface. Clicking this button is like opening the door to a creative workshop, where Nano Banana will work its magic, bringing your vision to life in digital form. Patience is key at this stage. As the image processes, allow the AI to work, refining and perfecting the scene you've described. Before you know it, your new, edited image will be ready, showcasing the inventive chaos you've envisioned. Congratulations! You've successfully edited an image using Nano Banana amid a movie theater chaos theme. Editing images can be a delightful mix of creativity and technology, and with the right tools and guidance, anyone can produce something truly unique. I hope this tutorial has been helpful and inspires you to keep exploring the creative horizons of digital art. Until next time, happy editing.